must consider this approach in a preparation. आपका preparation का approach अगर change नहीं होगा, you cannot answer the questions that the UPSC is asking in these years. So one of the dreams with which I started Edukemy was to support students in a holistic way. एक मकसद ये था मेरा कि एक इंस्टीट्यूशन ऐसा हो जहाँ पर it should become a one-stop solution पूरे प्रिपरेशन का. And I'm happy to announce कि हमारा जो GS पैकेज शुरू हुआ है मॉड्यूलर कोर्सेज के बेसिस पे we have completed the first leg, history वाला portion. History is actually art and culture, ancient India, medieval India, modern India, post-independence, and also some topics of world history. So an innovation that we had was we decided कि ये topics should be finished at one go as a proper program which is modularized. Otherwise क्या होता है, बच्चे 2 दिन हिस्ट्री कर रहे होते हैं, 2 दिन पॉलिटी कर रहे होते हैं, 2 दिन साइंस एंड टेक कर रहे होते हैं और इकोनॉमी, and when the history starts again it's after maybe 3-4 weeks. So वो हमारा एक स्टेप था. I wanted to consolidate that and very happy to announce that has been done. The second problem students used to face was कि preparation of foundation used to be different from the preparation for the exams. I always believe कि foundation course जिसमें कि syllabus coverage होता है, that is not the adequate course for the actual exam readiness. So we launched a program called as advanced course. Advanced course में हम exam के basis पे पढ़ाते हैं, questions पढ़ाते हैं and discussions of the exam level questions के होते हैं. So इस advanced course में we have just finished off the history advanced course and we have discussed almost 70 full-length answers. We also have done more than 100 MCQ questions and very interesting questions. I must thank Rashid sir for this, जो कि who sat down with us and planned the entire set of questions along with the answer structuring. बहुत सारे questions के हमने model answers भी दिए and we also had test series. So it's an invitation for all of you that you must consider this approach in a preparation. आपका preparation का approach अगर change नहीं होगा, you cannot answer the questions that the UPSC is asking in these years. ना prelims हो पाएगा, ना आपका mains हो पाएगा. And now we are starting the geography module, geography along with environment. I and Dimple madam both will share the classes and the classes will begin from 9th of November. और उसमें भी यही approach है. The approach is not about syllabus completion alone. हम current affairs से link करवाएंगे. We'll ensure that advanced level concepts cover हो advanced course में, आपके answer writing हो, and along with that even integration with the current affairs sessions. So जो module program हमारा approach है, I think it is the way forward for all of you. Do consider, please walk in. Edukemy is an open institution. Please walk in, sit with us. एक आध हफ्ता आपको करना है classes to understand the process, do that also, so that you understand UPSC preparation cannot be done in the way it was done couple of years ago. Exam change हो चुका है, questions change हो चुके हैं, the exam के demands change हो चुके हैं, तो आपका पढ़ने का तरीका भी change होना चाहिए, questions के quality भी change होने चाहिए. You cannot be preparing the examination on the lines it was being done probably 6, 7, 8 years ago. So my invitation to all of you, आइए हमारे साथ बैठें. Geography environment का मॉड्यूल शुरू हो रहा है 9th November को. Come and sit with us. Advanced course हो रहा है Geography environment का, उसमें आप बैठें and let us know how we can help you more. Thank you.